I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? You already know, let me hear it, let me hear it. Oh, yeah? Hey, that's what's up, man. Y'all already know what I say, man. If everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes tomorrow or either next week, man. You could definitely be in a better situation. So just hold your head up and keep trucking, man. Keep grinding, keep doing your thing. Me, I'll be honest, you know what I'm saying? Like the last couple weeks wasn't really that good for me, you know what I'm saying? As far as like outside of, you know, YouTube and what I got going on with the cars, like I got some other pressure on my shoulders. For those you know what I'm saying? So I've been trying to take care of that, and then plus the kids been on spring break and my old lady was on vacation. So man, we definitely had some good family time. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, I ain't even been out here to mess with nothing. Everything is sitting how we last touched it. Well, besides the air leaking out the front tire over here. Sheesh, man, I should be ashamed of myself. But man, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video today, man. Hey, your boy got that first paycheck from YouTube. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to y'all, bro. Hey, appreciate y'all, man. Without y'all, without my viewers, you know what I'm saying? Hey, nothing will be possible. So I will always give y'all a shout out, you know what I'm saying? I know I do the work, make the videos and stuff like that, but it takes y'all to be watching it, sharing, liking, and commenting, you know what I'm saying? So salute to y'all, I truly appreciate it. So hey, man, y'all want to know how much your boy made? How much y'all think your boy made, boy? Huh? How much y'all think? This was for the month of March. Yeah, get paid in by monthly, you know what I'm saying? So this was for the month of March. Well, man, this ain't that ain't even the check, bro. It was directly deposited. So but no. So man, listen, your boy made a whopping $116.53. Yes, sir, man. $116.53. You heard me? Hey, I know to a lot of y'all, hey, that ain't much. But to me, that's $116.53 that I didn't have. So, hey, shout out to YouTube, man. We're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep doing our thing, man. So today, bro, we're going to talk about what next. What's next? It's a lot of projects on here that I do need to clean up. As y'all know, we gotta go ahead and get this cluster right, man. Look, she is filthy, bro. We gotta get this cluster right and figure out what I'm gonna do about that. And there's some other things that we definitely gonna chop it up about, but that ain't for this video, man. But I want to give a special shout out to a few people, man. First off, shout out Miss DK. Y'all see she made the shirt for your boy, man. Shout out Miss DK Customs. If you haven't subscribed to her, man, go over, subscribe to her. And I also want to give a shout out to my girl, Miss Phoenix, man. She is definitely an awesome lady. Y'all go check out her channel, man. She sent your boy one of these little crop tab things right here. I don't know the real name for them, but man, hey, check that out. That's dope, man. And I truly appreciate that, because that definitely means a lot to me. I don't know about some people, but man, shout out to the fathers that's truly in their kids' life and leading them in the right directions, man. Shout out to y'all, man, because I love mine, and I show them every day and try to, you know what I'm saying, tell them every day that I love them, man, and they're much appreciated. So go check out her channel, man, and tell her Tulu TV sent you, man. Next, I want to shout out my dude SS Smooth, man. Hey, shout out to him. He watched one of my videos and he was like, man, hey, I got something for you, you know what I'm saying? And hey, he sent it, man. Check this out. So you know your boy was over here working with the 3/4, right? With the 3/4. Man, hey, SS sent me that big 1.5. Boy, that thing is monstrous, man. Like, good. Come on. That thing is monstrous compared to that, man. So shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, SS Move, man. If y'all haven't subscribed to him, man, go subscribe to him. And next, man, shout out my dude, Perch. You know what I'm saying? I was in one of his lives. He was like, man, I ain't even know you already. Man, my fault, Perch. I wasn't even paying no mind, but I appreciate you for going back out there to the junkyard just for your boy, you know what I'm saying, and hooking me up, man. Thank you. If y'all haven't subscribed to Perch, man, check him out, man. He definitely got some dope footage for y'all as well, man. So, hey, let's go ahead and open this thing up right here, and let's see what my guy Perch done sent me, man. Let me see if I can set this thing down. Good gracious, why you looking up at the sky? Set this thing down. All right. Should be just able to pull out right here. Struggling with the tape. Well, I struggle with everything. Hold on. Man, I wouldn't even able to find him. All right, man. Let's check this stuff out. Let's check this stuff out. Got some other stuff in here. Yeah, we definitely got to clean some of this stuff up, man. I think I got some of these other pieces out here in the thing, but all right, man. Y'all check out what my guy sent me, bro. All right, man. So y'all don't know, I've been looking for pretty much all of these A-pillar pieces and these B-pillar pieces and the rain guards and everything for the door, and you know, so I could put the weather stripping and everything on, man. Now some of these pieces look good, some of them scarred up real bad. I don't know what we can do with that, truly. Some of this stuff look like it can just be cleaned up real good. I might have to try them other pieces, which I'll show y'all. Shoot, we about to walk back here to the trunk, talk about some other things that I got planned. But some of this stuff look good, man. We could definitely use all of this weather stripping stuff. We're gonna have to get that cleaned out so we can get them up in there. Man, we still got a lot of work to do. I don't know if we can get them like polished or cleaned up. They look like they can be cleaned up or polished. We're gonna have to find somebody to do that, or I guess I can figure it out. But man, we got some work to do, man. But let me see. First we're gonna have to get that doggone weather stripping out. Now I'm not sure we're gonna put that on right now. Like, we're gonna have to figure out something to do with those pieces. Well, Like I said, hold on, I think I got some pieces where we can just mix and match them. Ugh. Man, she is dirty, bro. Should be ashamed of myself. Hope nothing don't jump out at me up this mud. Alright. Oh, let me see what's in here. Alright, so as y'all see, we got our new weather stripping that we just had thrown back here. So we're gonna try to get that stuff in as well. But I had these pieces. Now, see, all that other stuff is for, well, I don't need this trim right here because it's gonna be different, because this is for the rear window, and we're going with something else on that. But I do have some of these pieces that do, you know, look a little better, just need to be cleaned off as well. Maybe we could just mix and match them and, you know, get it all put together, just like this one. All right, this one don't look that bad, but all right, let me show y'all what I was talking about these. Now see, when I ordered them, it said it fit my vehicle, right? I don't really feel like taking all this out, but these are supposed to be the B-pillar pieces. I'm not, no, you know, that's what it's called or whatever, but this is supposed to be this piece right here. Okay, so as y'all see, it has that extra piece on the top. These are for a T-top vehicle. Now, what I can probably do though is, and I was thinking about this because I've had them so long to the point where I ain't gonna be able to take them back or get my money back for them, right? So what I was thinking is maybe I can just, oh, get over here, y'all. Get over here. Oh, let me get out the, get over here. All right, so I was thinking maybe what I can do is just, dang, it's way short. Oh, it's right there, it's right there. So if I put it all the way to the bottom right here, maybe I can just cut that off with something. I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe I can just cut that off. Just shave that off, probably with a wheel. And will it work, man? Y'all let me know down in the comments, man. Y'all help me out. But that ain't the only thing we about to start working on though. The other thing is we about to start working on something else. And like I said, I got so many little things that I haven't done or haven't completed, man, and a lot of things that I'm thinking about doing, which I need to actually take my time and complete all the small projects and then move on. Truly, that's what I need to do. But one of my next projects, I'm trying to be careful reaching down in here. All this, look, all this stuff just, I might check this one out too. Oh no, no, that's like really tarnished. I don't think you can, I don't know, you might be able to clean that up real good. We're gonna see. But our next thing is to actually get all this stuff up out of this trunk, man. I got some ideas. People have gave me some great ideas about what I want to actually do in here. So yeah, we about to start getting this thing right, getting some other things too. But one of the main things is this right here, where the spare tire goes. Look at one of my old doggone on that header, man. Waste. Look at this crap. I just got this stuff just sitting in here. All right, but like I was saying, as y'all see, good gracious, you know, all this is pretty much rotted out right here in that big old hole. So what I was thinking about doing is cutting like this out right here, and then letting somebody weld me like a plate here. And also we can put like a battery, one of those battery holders, and put the battery in here as well for the system, and kind of set it up like that so we can have an extra battery back here. Like I said, I ain't no professional, man. It's just some ideas that I'm kind of like, you know, like juggling around, man. Tell me what y'all think, man. I got some, I like the way how I'm trying to get it set up, but I don't know. Like I said, I don't know everything, man, and I look for y'all to kind of help me out in some situations. Like I said, we all grab ideas from each other. We all grow off of one another. You know what I'm saying? We should elevate each other. You know what I'm saying? Hey, salute to that. But in the meantime, in between time, bro, like I said, there are a lot of little stuff that I really got to go ahead and complete, man. And it's a lot of things that I truly don't like about my build. And I'm about to definitely get into that, man. Definitely need to pull the cars out, crank them up, because they haven't been started the last time. Got to get gas in this one. We might try to get some more gas, and try to take it down to the store and put at least about like $15-20 in it to see, you know what I'm saying, how she gonna do, man, and see what we can do ourselves as far as like getting it just able to run. So, man, y'all stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, man, y'all never know what your boy is gonna do. So, man, stay locked in. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. And like I said, we about to get into this other video, and I'm gonna tell y'all things that I don't like about my car. Let's go.